Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you everyday makeup products that you will need as a beginner in makeup. First thing first, you will need a good moisturizer that moisturize or nourish your skin, and that one really suits. Next, you will need a BB plus or BBC cream to hide your blackheads or patches or acne patches on your skin. Next is foundation. Foundation is for to even out your skin complexion. And next is eyeliner and eye mascara to add more definition in your eyes, and it will really make pop up your eyes. Next is lip liner and a lipstick. You need to add some color on your face to look more attractive. Now you can use whatever the color you would like to use on your lips in lipstick, and a brown shade lip liner. Yes, this is all you need to wear in your basic beginner makeup kit. And hope you like this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.